Hello, this is Ben from Ben's Fix Autos. Today I'm replacing the air ride shock for the 2003 GMC Yukon Denali 6.0. So as you can see, this is blown off, so I have to replace it. And first come first is the safety for yourself. So I have to put two jack there, and I have two stand jack right there, and also I have this jack to lift this here, so that it's easier for you to remove the bolt. So this is a 21 millimeter. 21 millimeter is for here, but you have to hold the bolt on the other side with a wrench. But right now I don't have a 21 wrench, so I'm using this one, 21. So this one, it's kind of loose already. This is loose already. So see, I just have to loosen up, but of course you have to hold this side here in order for you to remove and loosen this bolt. So this is doing if you guys don't have an impact wrench and air gun, you can use the wrench 21 millimeter, and this one you have to remove also. See, that one is going like this. I will show you later about how to install it, but right now I'm showing you how to remove this shock, air ride shock. So right now I have to use my two hands, so I will see you later when I install the brand new one shock, then I'll show you. So I was able to remove the nut, and this is the one that goes this way there, and I have to use the impact air gun here, and then I put this with long one. You need the long one because of this bar here. Because of this bar, you need the long one here, an extension for this one, like this way. I use my extension to go here across so that you can reach there. You have to go underneath here, and now I was able to remove also the bolt on the bottom here. So for now I have to push it with the bolt a little bit so that I can there. So now I have to reach so maybe I need to push more the bolt. There you go. There you go. So now I was able, see, to remove this, but of course I still have to remove the thing here. So I was able to install the brand new air ride shock. So for me, I'm just gonna tell you the honestly question or whatever it is. It's so hard to what I do. What I did, I have to jack up this thing to raise up so that this thing will go shorter, but I had to install this thing first. See, I just have to tighten the nut, that's it. I have to go this way and then push this thing so that it will go in, and then I need to have this one, the bar, so that it will go exactly to the hole, and then I have to use also a bar. I have to use this bar to hold it together here so that it will not slide that way to the front. So I have to use this one and then jack it up and then use this thing and then put the bolts in. And now I just have to do the bolt, and then also the bolt I have to put the anti-seize there, just, you know, protection, so that next time it's not gonna be rotten or whatever, so it's easier to remove. And after that I just have to install the wire and install this thing. So that's all about it, and it takes me a little bit longer, but like I said, this is a DIY job. It's a savings. It comes about save money, and also it takes time, because of course you have to take time for your safety and make sure that everything is fine. This is what I like to share with you, and I really appreciate you for supporting my YouTube channel, Beans Fix Atu, and I hope you have a great day, and see you again next time.